Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G14. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu, go to settings and now enter Google Assistant. Enter voice match and enable Hey Google function. Let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be sunny, with a high of 13 and a low of -1.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.